How to change profile description on Fiverr. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first open your preferred browser and then search for fiverr.com. Simply log into your account and then on your top right corner, you will see your profile icon. Simply tap on it and then tap on profile. Then scroll a bit down and here tap on set your communication preference or share how you plan to use Fiverr. After you have done adding your details, simply switch to seller mode. And from here, you can tap on edit description and add your description as you want. If you want to change it, there will be an option called edit again and simply remove all the previous description and add a new one. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.